1 times 10 gives us 10. And 1 times 10 again gives us 10. So we have 10 divided by 10, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one multiplication. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Because, as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Okay, so if we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 1 times 10, which equals 10. So we have 10 divided by 1, then times 10. Now we have to do this division. 10 divided by 1 is just 10. So we have 10 times 10, which gives us 100. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 100.